Good day everyone, this is Brian Maru, also known as Coach B, and now let's interview, not Valentine's Day, but an interview about purposeful communication. Let's go. Good afternoon everyone, so we have an interview today, and please state your name is?
I am Aliyah Shane Angana from TS 11A.
So what is your strand, Miss, in senior high, Miss?
My strand is kanang TVL, and ang specialization niya is Home Economics major in Travel Services.
So Miss, start na to sa interview, Miss. Let's start with, what is language, Miss?
For me, ang language kay usa siya ka tool na gamit para makipag-istorya ka or makabuild ka og communication sa mga tao around you.
That's a wonderful answer, Miss. And next is language and dialect are the same, Miss?
Ang language and dialect, mura siya the same paminawon pero they are quite different. Kay ang dialect manggod is by regional siya. So, for example, there's a Philippines, each region natay lahi-lahi nga dialect, and the Philippines has, I think, more than 100 ka dialects. Pero, nara tayo usa ka language which is ang Filipino. So, ang language is para siya sa whole country, but ang dialect is by region siya.
That's a wonderful answer again, Miss. And so, the third question is, what is the difference between language and communication, Miss?
Ang language is usa siya ka tool na gigamit para makabuild ka og communication sa mga tawo nga imong nakahalubilo. Kay ang communication ng god reciprocal siya, mo siya gigamit natong instrument para makabuild ka og connection o maka-exchange ka og information sa mga tawo, and para makabuild ka connection, of course, mag-need ka og language.
Thank you, Miss. So,